What's up everybody, welcome on back to the 710 Performance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing some upgrades or fixing some upgrades to our Sandblaster. We're also going to be getting things with the oven straightened out. If you didn't see in our last video, we did do some damage to the oven, but it's not anything that can't be repairable. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that taken care of today. To start off with our sandblasting pot, we have a Harbor Freight 100-pound blasting pot, but we did do some upgrades to it. Now with these upgrades, what we did is we actually upgraded this valve so it was larger, and then there's the original fitting there. We kind of upgraded this so it would go to a larger fitting, and I believe this is 3/4 inch. It allows more media and an even flow of media to travel through there. For me personally, I like this switch to be able to meter how much media you're gonna let through, but this has actually worn out after over a year. This is worn out, so we want to go ahead and upgrade this. We've also had some blowouts on our hose for the blasting pot, so we're going to see if we can't get a longer hose, or maybe see if there's a way that they've got a super long hose so we can actually keep the blasting pot outside and run it through the wall to make it easier and less crowded in that room. Also in the blasting room, there are some wasp hives, so we're gonna grab some stuff to take care of those buggers. We do want to get to dipping and stripping some wheels. We have to get some more baking soda for our neutralizing tank for the rim strip. After you dip the wheels in the rim strip, you dip it in a neutralizing tank to neutralize it. Well, we need to get more TSP and baking soda for that, so we're gonna grab that today and a few other small things for the shop. So we're gonna be visiting Harbor Freight, Lowe's, maybe Home Depot. Let's go ahead and jump to that and get this stuff fixed so we can get the shop up and running. Okay, so we did some running around. We got a new valve for the blasting pot, so we're gonna go ahead and change that out real quick. It's definitely a lot bigger, just a regular old ball valve. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all put back together, be ready to rip, rock, and roll. Okay, so we got the blasting pot all fixed, ready to rip, rock, and roll. That blasting pot has really done well for us. It's lasted just about 2 years, maybe a little over 2 years. It was definitely a great investment, $140 at Harbor Freight. It's worth getting, especially if you do the little upgrade that we just switched out on it. So it's definitely a great system. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod and see if anything funny happens when I spray these wasps out. So let's get to this. Now this is not a paid product promotion, but what we have here is Real Kill Wasp and Hornet Killer. Kills on contact, 20-foot jet spray, and it's no staining. Let's see how well it works. Oh, they're already coming out. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna show you guys what we're dealing with real quick. So there's one right there, and there's a few more up there. So that's what we're dealing with, and then there's some mud dauber ones right down there. I don't know if you can see. We definitely need a bigger camera or better lens to be able to zoom in for that. Let's see what we can get here. I wish I could open this door all the way. Whoa. Man, they really started coming out of there after that first one. I got that first one up high. They really started to come out. And then now I got these lower ones. Got the lower one. I'm trying to keep it around the doorway, so we'll power wash that off, but that way they don't want to come back in. Well, I used that whole can. Let's see how well that works. So there's still some setting up in the shop that we've got to do, getting ready to get the oven hooked up, but right now we are ready to start stripping and blasting. We do have our first couple of projects that are already here. Shout out Alan. These are going prismatic gold. Can't wait to see those done. And then these are going to be another two-tone set of wheels. The last two-tone set that we did, the red and black one, this is for a buddy of his. So we're excited to do these. It's gonna be a great color combination. One of the colors is gloss black, and the other you're just gonna have to stick around for. Anyways, let's go ahead and get the oven hooked up and get to stripping these wheels and get this shop moving.
Powder coating 710, I appreciate it. We got a powder coat plug though, and he's been killing it for us, and it's local, and he gets stuff turned around super fast.
I've got a painting quote that I've got to do. While doing this painting quote, Jeremy's gonna go ahead and work on the oven, get everything sealed up so it's working properly, because we have parts that we need to outgas today. Let's get to it. Another great video. We got the oven up and working, and as you can see, the shop is starting to look more and more like a shop every day. That's it for this video. We're gonna go ahead and outgas and blast these parts and get them coated in the next one. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel down below. Smash up the like button if you like this kind of content, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.